I think we're live. All right. So, hello. How's it going, Jason? Okay. All right. Enough of that. So tonight for this stream, we are going to put the AppState. My plan is to make a dependency, a service, AppState service, and it's going to have one function. Might be a publisher. Basically, it's going to let you know what the app state is, like if you're logged in or logged out. And if you're logged in, it's going to have an associate property of who the currently logged in user is. We might need to update that to include more information such as the token, maybe the user ID, and maybe other information. I'm not 100% sure about that yet. That's the rough idea. That way, when in all of the modules, we can know who the currently logged in user is. Basically, that's the idea. Any questions?
No.
All right, that's what I'd like to hear. Username, it's admin password. So right now, you just do that, and then you're quote unquote logged in as the admin. Nice, and look, check it out. I have the chat view.
Yep.
Nice. Sorry, I wanna
Do the start thing.
do the start thing. I do want to do the start thing. Start. And look.
There you
Check it out. Oh, it's not updating.
They keep on talking? Oh, it keeps on
Yeah.
talking.
I was hoping it would update.
No, it doesn't update.
That's fine. Okay.
I think that
That's fine.
oh,
You just have to go back
I
and
mean, I
forth.
don't.
There's a
You
way to
know
do
what
it.
would be good?
What's that?
Have like you want to distinguish between read and unread from this view.
See, there you go. Also, we should have like a badge on the bottom to say like how many messages we have unread.
Oh yeah. Well, I also feel like these are more of a nice to have than
Sure.
need.
Yeah.
Maybe we should focus on other stuff.
Yeah, I like that idea. I think the more we do like a bunch of other things, the more we'll understand how to make the chat one better. We can also push really hard on the chat one, but also it keeps it interesting, right? If we get bored of the chat, we're like, all right, let's just hop on to something else for a little bit. Okay. I need ChatGPT. What and let's see. So service. I mean that works. I don't. I kind of want a publisher because it could change any time. I want it to be reactive. Yeah. Is that how we usually do? It's a little bit weird. I wonder what's better. I feel like this syntax.
That's a little bit weird. Yeah.
So let's do the any publisher.
Is this a new thing? I saw this on my code base as well, but I don't.
It's not that new. I mean, it's combined stuff.
Yeah.
I think this.
But then there's publisher, and then there's any publisher. Why? What's
any publisher
what's the
is
difference?
any publisher is the type erase version. But we can ask ChatGPT.
I did, but I didn't really get like a satisfying answer. Maybe yours might be different.
It abstracts away specific types in the publisher, providing more flexibility in the future without affecting the consumers. Actually, it is hard to explain. I don't know how to explain it. But I like this way. Let's just add that. Well, that's good enough, I guess. Because we're getting the state and whoa, wait a second. This doesn't seem right. It wants me to inject the app state. That's not how you do that. Through its initializer. Should the AppState service let you log out? Probably. I mean, basically, this becomes a singleton. So right now I just have AppState as a state object. And it's put here as a state object. And AppState is a class. Interesting. Yeah, let's just copy it. Okay, so we take the app state, and then here we pass it in, I guess. Yeah, we can do it at the end. Or should we do it at the beginning? We can do it at the beginning. All right, so we pass the app state in here. And this is a class, so it should be a reference type. And then whenever the state changes, it will publish to the AppState publisher. How do you feel about this so far? Jason? Hello? I can't hear you.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, can I see that classic one more time? Default app state. Oh, you want it as a. Wait, why are we doing this again? Why do we need this?
Well, this
I
is
thought
the
we're
way.
injecting it, no?
Yeah, we are. We're injecting.
And then we'll just what?
So you ask
Okay,
for
and
the
then
AppState
we
service, and then you can get the publisher for the AppState.
gotcha. Okay. Because we want to make sure that the app is authenticated, right?
Yeah. The main thing I'm thinking about is in your module, in any module, when they listen to the publisher, they can see what the state is. And if it changes, like if they log out, I guess your module should handle that.
Okay.
That part I'm not 100% sure on. Like I feel like it could be better somehow, but that's my current thoughts, at least my starting thoughts. Like one thing is, I think there should be a way to get the last publisher, like a current value behavior. if I am a module, if I get the provides a publisher, but you can also use it to get the current app state directly. Like we could.
Wait, so is this like a wrapper for AppState? Default AppState service?
A wrapper for the app state?
For AppState? Yeah.
Basically, yeah.
Why not just have the AppState as a publisher? You know, inside the AppState.
Well, it
Yeah,
is.
have a publisher there.
Well, this is a publisher. This is a publisher. When you say add published, this
So
is a publisher. That's
can
why
we just listen to that?
that's why there's a $sign. Well, we are listening to it. That's what this thing is. So like you are listening to the app
Oh,
state's $sign state. $state gets you the publisher for this state.
what? Then why do we need this object AppState service?
So default app state service um, gets.
Also, can this be a struct instead of class?
I don't.
I feel like you can't, right?
Well, yeah, it gets a little bit tricky there. I don't think it can be a struct because right now app state is designed to mutate. Because like the state will
Oh,
change as you use the app, right? You're logged in, you're logged out. It keeps on
yeah.
changing.
Well, okay. What's wrong with having a mutated object as a struct? A mutated object as a struct.
Um, so if you turn the app state into a strut,
Mhm.
you're gonna need. It's kind of like two levels of indirection. You're gonna need something else to get the app state anytime you want it updated. So then you need like you want the
Oh,
state.
okay.
So but then to get the new state, you're
Because
gonna have to get a new app state,
yeah,
and then to do that, you need to do something else. So like this is
okay.
this is a wrapper for state. Like this is the one.
Because
This is the value object that changes.
I guess the reason is struct passed by value. So if you modify it, you need to make sure everyone that initially had anyone initially wanted to listen to it, you need to give it to that person.
Yeah,
I don't know if I'm
I
saying
think
that right.
so. The other thought here is I think is because I also made it an observable object, and these I believe need to be classes in each object. I mean that's the other
Um,
kind of real reason. Um, I mean in theory, if we removed observable object, let's say we remove publish, remove observable object. If we made it a strut, I think it could still work because this is a publisher. I think.
I
Yeah.
don't I don't think it works on struct publisher. No?
Well, struts could have a
Does it? I don't
public.
know.
Struts can have a publisher property. Do we do that? Wait, actually, do we do that? Maybe we don't. Wait a second. Where are these classes? Oh, well. Maybe I'm not sure either. I thought it was. Well, with this one. Oh, okay. Anytime app state. So app state is a class. Anytime it changes, this will also change. Get current state. Yeah, because this is a wrapper around app state. This is basically the same thing as app state. We just need a protocol. I wonder if there's a protocol. There's kind of a really tricky thing to do here. Like, it's all because I made it an observable object. It's kind of tricky to put a protocol over this. And I don't think we can use the new observation framework. Oh, can we? Wait, maybe we can. I feel like I'm gonna break stuff. All right, let's just make this work. Okay, so I'm just gonna do it this way for now, and then we can improve it. Let's just get it working first. Inject it into your module. Yeah, now we have to type it every time. I wanna make that so when I hit enter, it continues, just like what you did. That would be in the login module, in the text here. No. Here, right? Oh. I kinda like this syntax here. Oh. What? I don't like this anymore. Does that work? Nope. Oh. Well, now that becomes a little bit weird, but okay. Hey, it works.
What?
Now when I hit enter on password.
Nice.
Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Okay. And I think it should work, but I'm not sure yet. The way we do this would be, let's modify the to-do module. I'm gonna test it out with the to-do module. And the to-do module is here. We can put it in the list view. Haven't thought about exactly where it should be. What about here? What if we did and then or we can do it in the service itself. So the service is here. We have the in-memory one, but the API one. There's nothing really to do in the test one. Is there? I want to do it in the real one.
Why not ask ChatGPT? Yeah.
Good idea. Good idea, Jason.
Just say, this is what I have. Do this for me. Yep.
Let's see what will spit out. So it injected it in the module itself. play as an action, which is kind of dumb. It has a current state in here, which is not right. Actually, I'm like completely ignoring everything else it says. That's fine. Eee. Now wants there to be a cancelable. Okay, so in this one, we have a view. It has a state of the current state. So basically the entire view is based on the app state. I'm not sure how I feel about that. We also have an app state service. I feel like that should be part of the view model. They also put the cancel over here. I feel like that should be part of the view model as well.
Wait, why do we need this again?
Whenever
what does do view need to know? Is that where we log out? Sorry, I forgot.
No, I'm just trying to do a proof of concept where it's like, you know, it says like either hi Jimmy or hi Jason, or you know, like please log in if you're not currently logged in. I just want to do a proof of concept like that a module could show something different based on your login state.
Oh, okay. Wait, but can we have like the root, one of the root view to handle that?
Well, in this proof of concept, this would be the root view. Like this would be the first view. Like this is simulating the first view. Ignore that this is the to-do module. Pretend it's just a regular view. It's just some module, some view.
Okay.
But the problem is I don't think a lot of this should be directly in the view. It should be in the view model. Like to-do view model. Yeah, so now it has a current state. It's published. Yeah, this looks better. And the view, because it has a view model. Now we can, all we have to do is say view model.current state, and then like we can react based off of that.
Okay.
I don't know why that keeps on putting that there. And what? Wait, did it just say it twice? Oh, this is a complete code. Okay. This is like very similar code to what we do at my work, except for the dinit. I feel like it could be better. It's kind of tricky with the cancellables. Let's try it out. All right, so let's pretend it's to-do list view. So now let's say this list view depends on the service. Yeah. So I'll say that. Okay, and then you set the current state to that. Sync. Okay. Okay, so now in the view model, we are providing the current app state. Yeah, sure. And then in the view, we just kind of react to it. So let's say like, let's put it at, this is a group. Yeah, let's do it in the group. All right. It's kind of weird because we don't really have a, you'll never see the logged out. Oh, jeez. I think I have to tell it about how my app state looks like.
When you make it public. Oh, never mind.
Oh, it wants to put the string in the view model. We can try that, I guess. So then instead of all of this, it's just dot greeting message. That's not even right.
Logged out.
That's not even right. What? That wasn't expected at all. So it thinks.
Who sets the current app state? Can you debug on that?
This sets
Can
the
you
current app
put a
state.
breakpoint on set 24?
Yeah. And we'll do here too. Alright, we'll log out. Oh, it's kind of annoying typing this over and over again. Okay, so the current state when we do this is logged out. Okay. Oh. And it's still saying it's logged out.
Still logged out.
Oh. Okay. This is I think it's starting to deal with the references thing again. It's updating a different reference, is my guess. Because in the login module, when you log in here, you see we do auth service.login. And what happens is here we set the appstate.state to logged in. So we changed this one, but this app state comes from the environment object.
So it shouldn't be environment object, should be the default implementation something.
The injected
Be the publisher, right?
the dependency injected thing, maybe, but I mean, kind of, yes. But then we need to provide a function for it to update the state. Let me put a breakpoint here. Yeah. Here, let's confirm this. Let's confirm this. Log out.
Oh, you need to go to the next line, no?
All right, it should still have this object.
Yeah, but it's not set it in login.
Oh, that's fine. I just want to get this object, piece, AppState,
Okay.
just the memory location.
Wait, can you do
What?
PO appstate.state? Wait, what? Why is that? Is it because it's inside a task?
Is it?
Ooh,
What do you think?
it's inside a task. Does that mean it's not on the main thread? Does that matter?
It might not be on the. Oh no, I mean right now it is on the main thread, but I mean I think it might not be on the main thread. Like there's a chance it might not be. Does it matter? Maybe. Do we have potential threading issues here? Do we need a thread safe dependency?
I don't think so.
Thread safe service. That's annoying. This is getting a lot more complex all of a sudden. Wait, why? But why?
Why is it not? Can you
Do I
print
have to
it
do?
out?
Hey, check it out. Hey.
Oh, what the fuck? Why is
Because
it underscore?
okay, it's because we did at environment object. So this
So
is
wait, why? I don't know.
I'm gonna
Why does
guess.
that matter?
I'm gonna make a couple assumptions here. I think Swift UI changes this. So it
What
actually
if
has
okay?
this.
What if you put underscore app state? Would they add another underscore for you?
What? Like underscore like this?
No, on line 27. What if you change that to underscore app state?
I don't want to compile all that. It's gonna break a couple of stuff. Because then on the outside, I also have to change it. Yeah,
Really?
let's see. Yeah. Well, at the very least, we can see if it does this.
Oh, see, it does add another underscore.
I think I changed my mind again. I don't think it's Swift UI. I think it's just property wrappers. Because even if you check here, auth service also did the same thing. So any property wrapper
Okay.
will have that behavior.
Okay. Yeah,
But I think I wonder, does it work?
no,
because
underscore. There we go.
Wait, this works? Whoa, I wasn't expecting that to work. Okay, cool. Oh shoot.
Okay. Let's change it back.
Yeah, that's good to know. Good to know. We're learning. So change this back, change that back, save, and run it again. Okay, what I wanted to do was see the I wanted to see the memory address for both of those. I think they're going to be different. And that's why they're not like reacting to each other. So like P.
Can we look at the state? I didn't have to print it out.
Which one? Like
AppState on this dot state. PO. Yeah, dot state. Wait, what? Does it not have state value? Property?
requires wrapped value of type AppState. Well, let's see. It's a published thing, so maybe.
How do you get value out of that? Is it app $? That $ state? No. Can you P? Can you P? Yeah. There we go.
Nice.
State. Current value logged out.
That's
Yeah,
fine.
that's fine.
It's fine because we haven't run it here.
After you set it, what's gonna be?
I mean, of course it's gonna be logged in.
Can we check? Can we confirm?
No. All right.
Oh shit.
Yeah. So the thing I'm looking at here is C12490. I think this is the important address. All right. Well, we should have it, so I'm just gonna continue. Here. Okay, so this one's a SwiftUI environment object, and this one's a combine published. I'm learning so much about SwiftUI and Combine right now. What's this storage thing? Well, I think they're different. They're not actually referenced for some reason. How about this? I guess it doesn't matter if they're. No, they need to be the same reference. So here in the main app here, so we have this app state, which is a state object, and we are putting it into AppState service, so we have it there as well. Now, how do we dedupe this?
Hold on, wait a second. So you're injecting into. Wait, why is it two different app state?
What do you mean, two different?
So you have a can you click on app state again? The object?
Like this thing?
It's a class, okay.
Yeah. Observable object class.
I have that in mind.
We also have
If you go back one file, okay. What I was curious about, like, we have app state from the environment object, and then we have app state. We have default app state in the dependency inject DI container.
Yes.
So what shouldn't we get it from DI container instead of environment object?
I like that idea.
Right?
Yeah. So we could remove this.
Yeah. We should have, and what's module manager? That shouldn't be in we should use DI container, right? Instead of environment object. What's your module manager again?
That's just an array of modules. Where is it?
Oh, okay. Okay.
Technically an array of routes and actions. It just combines all of them together.
Okay.
Yeah, it's like this. It does kind of a couple of different things. I think I'll leave the module manager one for now because I think it's okay for now. But I do like the idea of removing the AppState one. It's definitely going to break stuff. But let's see. It's like the login module. Oh, shoot. It's not going to break stuff. Okay, so now we have to do this, right?
Yeah, inject.
So now
Yes,
we're
sir.
going to have to inject this.
Is it AppState service or? Oh yeah, it is AppState service.
And then here's the tricky part. We need a setter now, huh?
Oh wait, hold on, I got it. Hold on. Wait, go back. I think I know. Wait, can I try?
Try what?
Can you go to the concrete implementation of the AppState service,
Yeah.
which is the default something something. You need another variable. Oh wait. Oh, the setter is AppState $. State. State. That is it. So can you make it public, or do you want to have another variable that does that?
I don't want to make it public. Don't want to make another variable.
Okay. Wait, what about get current state? Okay, you have that, right?
Yep.
App state is a class. Is that correct?
Correct.
All right. Can we go back to that?
This one?
To that file? Yeah. No. Go back.
This one?
Go back. Yeah. Can we do app state service? Not here. The function. Yeah. Dot get current state. Dot state.
Dot state.
Wait, current state is the state, right? Yeah.
This is the state, yeah.
Okay, can you set it equal to?
No. What?
Oh, it's a function. Shit.
Yeah, we just need like a set.
Oh.
We just need a set current state, basically.
Okay. Yeah.
Which it could be done in a. Yeah, we could make it look nicer. We could make it a property.
Do you want to call it out, or do you want to ask ChatGPT to do it?
Jason, you know I want to type everything manually.
All right.
All
right.
Let's see.
While it's typing out, yeah. What? Okay. There we go. See, we're exposing it. We are exposing it. Current state right there on the bottom.
Yep. Why does it have a cancelable? Oh, because we're listening to that now. Okay.
Yeah, see, that's why get current state doesn't really make any sense.
No, it's this one. This is get current state.
Okay. No, before we had a function.
Yeah. I mean, this is still also a function. It's a property. It's a getter for a property, but it serves the same thing.
Okay.
Like, then we could have added another function, set current state. This is just a syntactic sugar for that.
Okay.
The alternative is turning that public. Then you set it directly. But
Yeah, why not? Why can't we do that?
um, I'm thinking more of
I'm
historical.
curious.
I'm thinking more of historical reasons. Mostly because like for binary compatibility, where if people tie it to the app state, then like you can't really hook onto it, right? Like for instance, let's say we wanted to do analytics calls here, right? Like, oh, like someone got this, or if you want to like do additional logic here, if you made this public,
Mm,
you can't hook into there. With this, you kind of can. Doesn't really matter too much. There's other reasons as well, but it's kind of like a common thing to do like this. What is this? This is another way to hook into it, I guess. I'm thinking back in the Java world. Most people did that because
okay.
when you compiled and people hook into it, it's a lot harder to change. In Swift, I think it probably doesn't matter too much. You just recompile.
All right.
With that in mind, nope.
Nope. Yep.
Yeah,
Too easy.
too easy.
Command C, Command
Copy.
V.
I'm gonna need new Command C, Command V buttons.
Yeah, exactly.
What the heck?
Oh, is it new value? The value, new value. Yeah,
Dang, what's
there
wrong
we
with
go.
ChatGPT?
Damn, what's wrong with ChatGPT? Why am I smarter than ChatGPT?
Wait, we don't even need this. This is not doing anything. Look at that. What?
Wait, what does it do? Cancelable again? Why does it sync to cancelable?
Cancelable is whenever a cancelable will cancel your publisher subscription when
Once the object's being deallocated, right?
yeah,
Once the default app state service, right?
yep, and then it automatically cancels the
Yeah.
subscription. In this case, it's not really doing anything, so I don't really like it. I'm gonna delete it.
Ask him like what's up with the state did change function
I
in
don't care that much. I'm just gonna.
states.
It's gonna be faster this
Wait,
way.
don't you need to do that? Otherwise, you're gonna
It's
create
not.
a memory
It's not.
retention.
No, it's not doing anything. No, there is no memory because I'm.
But don't you still need the app cancelable?
No, it's not. It's literally not doing anything. All the sync is doing, all the subscription is doing. So the cancelable is to hold the subscription here. All the subscription doing
Oh,
is
okay.
actually nothing.
Okay,
So
okay,
the
okay.
solution is you get rid of the subscription, you get rid of the cancelable. Just
Okay.
keep it simple. No need for all that. Okay, but with that said,
What's the other thing that you deleted on the top?
as the init.
Can you Command Z real quick?
That's right here.
No.
This one.
Oh, cancelable. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, you don't need the cancelable. You don't
Gotcha,
need the
gotcha.
subscription. You don't need the dinit. It's just dumb.
Okay.
Let's change the syntax here.
Current state? Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's good enough.
Needing more app, yeah. Current state equals to dot log out. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Too easy.
Too easy. I don't know
Can
how
I
I feel.
assign
I don't know how I feel about
publicly what?
this. What did it change?
Self?
Wait, what?
Wait, why? What's going on?
Self is immutable
Um,
because this is a strut
oh,
and it's mutating app
this is why I
state.
don't like struct. Complain too much about state changes.
But this is a. Is this gonna be annoying? Should it be a function? Wait, hold on. Is that the difference? Should it actually be a function? What the?
Why? Even if it's function, you still have to mark it as a mutating.
Mutating function.
Can you go to the AppState service again?
AppState service. Well, I'm thinking right now it thinks this is, so this login view is a struct, and then this is a protocol.
This is a reference, right?
Not
So can you do
necessarily.
that? Can you conform to like any object
Wait, doesn't this work?
or class? Yeah, any class. So
Is
any object.
deprecated. Any object.
Yeah. GG.
Okay, I guess.
This is fine, right? Because it has to be an object. It has to be a class in order to. You need to be a class to conform to this protocol, right?
Yeah.
You have to, otherwise, for struct you can't.
Yeah. We're kind of saying
because
this implicitly has
it's
state in there, and it mutates. The app state will change over time. What do we do?
Login successful. Why is it not working?
What did we do?
Do you broke something?
What did we break?
Who's listening to it?
Oh, you know what? Shoot, I know why. So the thing
Is it
that's
because of the it's getting from environment object, right?
Kinda. So it's this one
Can we
here.
can we get rid of that app stay on top? We don't need that, right?
Kind of. Well, we're using it here.
Yeah. No. We don't need. Can we get it from the DI container? We should get it from the DI container, right? We should have this.
We can try.
We can have the app state object. Yeah, there we go.
I don't know how I feel about this, but
Why?
is this gonna work?
Oh.
Because when you init, you inject all the stuff in, but in order to have this, you're depending on that. It's like a weird circular thing almost. I don't know how I feel about that.
Okay, never mind. I'll take what I said back.
Maybe it might work.
Can we have another object called
Oh, yeah. Wait, there's
dependence.
another problem here, Jason. It needs to be a state object so that this reacts to it.
Okay.
Shoot.
Forget what I just said. I'm stupid.
No.
I'm stupid.
Come on, man. You're gold.
Going Ballard.
Yeah. Accessing state object without being installed on a view. This will create a new instance. What? I'm so confused now. What is this? This will create a new instance each time.
Object. Each time what?
Each time, period. I will create a new instance.
Without being installed on a view.
This is on a
What does that even mean?
Well, I mean, the app is kind of a view. It has a scene. This is a view. I don't know. Okay, so wait, hold on.
What's the app? What's app? APP. Is that something we made?
No, this is a
Swift?
SwiftUI protocol.
Oh, is this like a app delegate?
Yeah, base kind of. It's one of, yeah. If you say @main on an app, I think that this is the first. It's kind of like a view,
So
but a higher level.
Where's the life cycle for the application? You know what I mean?
It's right here. Body.
In body, that's it.
Yeah, it's a little bit weird. You can't think of it exactly like app delegate. There's different ways to do stuff, so that's why it's a little bit. It's not the same. Remember what I said about how SwiftUI is declarative? You declare stuff and it reacts to it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. That's this structure. But anyway, so what if we ask ChatGPT? In my main app, here is my main app. And I don't want this. I mean, I guess we can do that. Alright, let's do that. I don't care anymore. Alright, so now the publisher, the app state is actually in the default app service. And in main, we just have this. Oh yeah, and then but we can also do this. Which one was it?
Yeah, it's current state. Yeah, it's current state.
Let me just double check. Okay. All right. It's good enough.
How does it render the path again? Who handles that logic?
It's kind of like the life cycle of the app. Because in SwiftUI, it knows that this is an observable object.
Mm-hmm.
Because we marked it as state object. But this object that's marked as state object, it needs to be an observable object with published properties. So because this is an observable object with published properties, anytime this changes, it can re-render the body. Therefore, whenever the app state changes, it re-renders this route, this view.
So what's route view? How does it just okay, how does the can you click on a route view?
Yep. Route view is ours. It's mine. It's ours. It will ask the view for a route. From the module manager or the the universal router basically, and then if it finds the view,
so it parses through our route to see if there's any if there's the path matches, right? If it matches, then present a view.
Yep, present the view that basically it's the view that your module returns. Your module says
what's
like
any route? Oh, okay.
Which one? Any route?
Any view, is that
It's like
is that something we create?
No, this is SwiftUI. It's like a type erased view.
What?
So Vue is like a protocol, I think. So here it
Okay.
is. Literally a type of race view. It allows changing the type of view using a given view hierarchy whenever the type is used within any view. Whenever it changes, the old hierarchy is destroyed and a new hierarchy is created for the new type. So view itself is just a protocol, right? By changing it into any view, then it converts it from like a reference to a protocol into like a strut, like a concrete thing, instead of holding on to a protocol with potentially associated types, like a protocol with associated types, PATs, which makes the compiler kind of a lot more complex because it's holding on to that information. But by saying any view, it's just like, I don't care about the details. It's just a view. Like something.
What does view for route returns?
It returns a view, any view.
Oh.
Maybe
Can you
any.
can you do any view instead of any space view?
I don't know.
What's the difference?
Well, I can't change it right now because it's in module kit.
Oh, okay.
Any view is a compiler trick.
Oh, I see it. We have the module manager registers the route. Okay, and then you get it from you get the view from the module manager.
Yeah, from the module manager, which it gets it from the modules which you registered. Is it all clicking, Jason? All
Interesting.
clicking?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not too complex once it all
Clicking.
makes sense.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah, to be honest, I don't really know the specifics of like why like this, and like I kind of use ChatGPT to figure it out. Like, okay, that works. Anyways, I think that should work. Just kidding. Why isn't this working? Did I compile it?
Yeah. Can I wait, so is this module manager from a framework?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can't edit here, right?
Cannot edit here. We have to
I was
edit
gonna
the
say,
package.
yeah, I was gonna say we can do a minor improvement, but it's not.
We can do many improvements.
Okay.
Everything here, Jason, is like, it's not perfect or anything, It's just like, oh, okay, that works. Plop it in.
Okay.
There's so many improvements that could be done.
Okay.
Including this one.
Okay, it's not navigating. Why is that? Can we go to the view layer? Login view.
Dang, it's already pretty late. I didn't expect to go this long. So I see here's the login module, login view, and then here is the task. Do you think we need to be on like the main thread?
So if this is success, who's listening to this current state again? Who's listening to the current state?
The main app is listening to the AppState service. This is current state.
Why is it not reacting to it?
I think we gotta use the publisher.
Yeah.
We can't, like, this is broken here. Wait. Yeah, this is broken.
I think you need to subscribe to the publisher. In route view.
Well, I want SwiftUI to do that automatically. I don't want to hook all of that up myself. This is annoying. I don't even care about all this stuff. Stop. No, that still doesn't work. Not a. It kind of gets annoying with protocols in Swift UI.
Yeah.
I guess. I mean, but this actually isn't a protocol. This one knows about the concrete one.
I think the issue. So the issue is not. Wait, what'd you delete?
What?
Wait, what?
What?
Click on that.
Hold up. This is what's it?
AppState.state maybe. Yeah, that path. Yeah.
We don't need. We don't need 2 levels.
So you just try to see if it works.
Yeah.
It doesn't.
I don't know if Swift UI can listen 2 levels in. I'm gonna change it a little bit. So like. I don't know if this is gonna work. Okay, so. Oh my god, come on. Is this gonna affect everything? Oh, shoot. That's gonna be a little bit frustrating.
Comment that. Oh,
Yeah.
that works too. Oh Jesus. Jimmy, I feel like you should have do commit before you change this thing.
Yeah, it's fine. It's not. And there wasn't really a midpoint to commit.
Comment the dismiss on 27. I don't think we're using it. What the hell is that? Line 27.
This is a Swift UI way to dismiss the sign-out view.
What?
It's a function. Yeah, so it gets called here. So when you click on go back, it calls dismiss. Swift UI injects that into the environment for you. So we keep that. Otherwise, it won't work. we even need that? Wait, what? This is not even using it. Why do we even need that? Yeah, we need that one. Okay. All right, almost there. Almost there. Okay. Last one, settings view, because we need that. The perform logout will be there. We go. Oh my goodness.
No. Wait, is it working? No.
What? What?
It's not subscribing it.
It's supposed to.
It's not subscribing it.
It's supposed to
Can we
subscribe.
check?
That's,
Can we check the state change? Can we debug this?
hold on. It's looking at this one directly. And this is a published observable object, which we put on here. So anytime this property publishes, I think that's supposed to work. What is this? So
This is kind of weird. Wait, so why aren't we using the AppState publisher?
we don't need to because we have a direct reference to AppState. Like it's
So then we can get rid of that, right?
no, this will be used by. This is going to be used by other things that need a publisher. I mean, I guess other things could directly. I don't want. Oh yeah, other things can't access this because this is not exposed as part of the protocol.
Mm-hmm.
So AppState
Okay.
service, people only have everything else only has either the current state or the AppState publisher. Like they can't go directly to the state itself. But inside of default AppState service, we can because it's our implementation. So like we don't need to go through this thing; we just go directly to the AppState. Other people will need to go through this. Other modules will need to go through this. They cannot go directly to AppState. Make sense?
Mm.
With that being said, when we set it, it should have changed this, which should have published. Let's go here. Is it not thread safe? Okay, so we're in the main thread. We're not in the main thread. Check that out.
How do you know we're not in the main thread?
So check here. User initiated QoS. This is the main thread here.
Okay.
So that's the problem.
Reactor.
Can we just make this a main actor? Cannot be used to satisfy. What's the easier way to do this? Actually, here's the easier way to do it. ChatGPT, help. What? I just put main actor on there. What?
Jeez, I'm getting tired.
Yeah, me too. Alright, how about the quickest way here? The quickest way is just to... how do you do it?
Dispatch queue. Dispatch queue dot main dot async.
Should it be async?
Async. Async, yeah.
Yeah, but should this
Just
be
async,
async?
yep. Yeah.
Yeah, but I mean, like, when you say blah dot current state, I mean, it's a little bit weird, but I guess it works.
Wait, get rid of S.
Now you have to say self.
Yeah.
It's a little bit weird because the setter is async now. Shoot.
Wait, why is it weird?
Semantically, when you say object blah dot blah and it's not marked as async, normally you expect it to be sync.
What do you mean by blah dot blah? I'm not sure.
Yeah,
I'm
let me
not
show
sure
you.
I understand.
Yeah, let me show you. This is pretty natural. Like this line here. Do you expect it to be synchronous or asynchronous? What I'm saying is blah dot blah, right? Equals blah.
Synchronous, yeah.
Yeah. Normally, naturally, you expect that to be synchronous. You expect this to be synchronous. But when we implemented it with the setter, we made it asynchronous. So like it's a little bit weird because it's not doing what you expect, which is synchronous. You expect synchronous, it's doing it asynchronously. That being said, it should still work, but it's not. I don't know why it's not working. Okay, so this is now in the main thread. Is it time for bed?
Yeah, it's time for bed.
What?
Alright, we gotta. Do you think we can make it work?
Yeah, we'll make it work eventually. I don't know if we can do it tonight and still get enough sleep. Oh, jeez, I gotta wake up too early.
Do you think we can make it work tonight?
I mean, we can. How long will it take? I don't know about that.
What's the we don't even know the issue.
Not really.
Wait, do you think it's a threading issue?
I thought it was a threading issue.
Can we go back to can you go to the previous file? There's a purple warning. What was that all about?
True. Accessing state object without being installed in a view. This will create a new instance each time.
What's that even mean? I thought this main app is the view.
This is probably the issue. Before it has been properly initialized. Oh. So what, like...
Oh. Getter. Wait, what? That works?
Let's... Okay, well, there goes the warning. We're in the main thread. Hey, check it out.
What the hell? What just happened?
Magic. That's what happened. All right,
Wait,
you got that all right, Jason? Got it completely packed. Now we
No.
understand Swift UI. Okay, what happened?
So it was that warning, right?
It was that warning. It was saying
Mm.
that when we pulled the instance of the AppState service previously, we initialized it in here, and we tried to access it in the init, but the problem is because
So
like the
which
ordering of it was off.
one comes first? The variable get initialized first, or the init function?
I think the init does, but I'm not sure. So I think when it tried to do the init, when we tried to pass in default AppState service, this wasn't initialized properly, or it was like initialized to something random. So once it finished the init, then it actually initialized default AppState service to a new instance. So then it was like off sync.
Wait, but why can't we get it from the DI container?
What do you mean? Why can't we get it?
So, like, can you go back down?
Like this one?
Can we just get it from DI container? Yeah, instead of saying app service.
We can't get it from. We cannot get it from DI container because AppState service. It's just a protocol. But we need an observable object. Like if you get just the protocol, it will not react. SwiftUI doesn't work with just like it doesn't automatically change unless it's an observable object. That's a SwiftUI thing.
Can we? No, but can we just get it from the DI container? The observable object from the DI container? You know what I mean? So it'd be like DI container dot share.
I know what you mean. It's like kind of weird because then we have to put the default app state service in here. So we're not getting a protocol. Now we're getting a concrete thing. It might be possible, but then again, the way the DI container is built, like this, the service might need to be a instance of the first thing, which this could be potentially used as a protocol. So maybe. I'm not 100% sure about that. That would have to be something we'd test out. But again, I don't want to inject in the main app because like we're creating the DI container, but then we're also like trying to use the DI container, which should work because the init should run first, and then I think it injects stuff. So the ordering
Is there
should be okay.
a layer above main app?
No, this is the top layer. We are at the top layer.
This is the very top layer.
Yeah, which is why like over here I'm okay with doing stuff slightly differently because this is the top layer. Once we get into modules, then it's like, all right, that's where it starts.
Sorry, over where? Over where is what?
This is the top layer, main app. So I'm okay with doing stuff slightly differently from everywhere else. Everywhere else meaning the other modules or other dependencies. Modules will be structured, but the main app will like bootstrap everything. So like that's where in the main app we'll just initialize the app state. We'll set up the app state once, and then in the rest of the modules, now we have a consistent way to work with the app state, which is the app state service. So we don't care. Like I don't care too much if this is like a little bit messier. I mean, we can clean up later, but it's only all the mess is just going to be in the main app. All the bootstrap stuff will be in the main app. So once you get to the modules, they'll be cleaner. That's the more important part, I think.
All right.
But yeah, I think it's working.
Why does it feel like we accomplished a lot, but when we look at the things that we made,
Mo-
like we didn't really
we
do
didn't do
much.
that much.
Look at the UI. Yeah.
Yeah, most of it was just figuring out like how Swift UI, how that kind of stuff works. So it's kind of
Yeah.
kind of a learning opportunity in that regards. I wonder if I can remove this.
Yeah, I think you can remove it.
Oh, let's see. I mean, I think it might be a there might still be a threading issue, but let's see. I think it should be okay. Nice.
Oh wait, it is.
Shoot. Not nice.
There's a thread issue.
There is.
What is that? Main actor properly printed state cannot be used to satisfy non-isolated protocol requirement. What does that mean, non-isolated protocol requirement?
I don't know, man. Non-isolated. I think it's because it has a protocol. So like, so when you have some protocol and then you have like the implementation as an actor, then it starts to issue because like an actor cannot satisfy the protocol itself because it's different. As soon as you put actor, you have to say either non-isolated or you have to modify the protocol to say async. So like if we want to do that,
Oh.
how does it even work?
Wait, I only know how to do it in function. How does it work in variable?
I don't know. Like this?
Nah, never seen that before.
What? Like I'd have to turn it into a function. Swift property async property.
Oh, you just get it. Okay.
Oh, geez. I think we're getting into the weird part. Oh, actually. I think we're getting into the weird parts of Swift right now.
Yeah. Yeah, async. Set async.
Set is not allowed on a property with a get accessor that is async or throws. So it works this way, but now we can't set it unless we have another function that sets the current state.
Which
So
is
close.
fine, right?
So close, Jason.
Yeah. Fuck.
But
Not
it's
ideal.
yeah. But it's cool now that we know like you can have a async property, getter property.
Can you get it? Can you do a set async?
No?
No, without the get. Oh, can you do get?
Well,
Oh,
you
set
can't even
async.
do a set only property.
Oh, fuck.
In C# you can. It would be nice. I think it would be nice if Swift supported that, but unfortunately you can't. There has been times where I wanted to do that. So the only way you can do that would be
Get.
whatever.
Oh my God, I'm so tired.
Yeah, let's finish up, shall we?
Okay.
I'm just gonna come. Oh my God, it's 2. Okay, let's. All right. We have to do this. We have to do this. Did I make this a main actor?
Hmm?
Wait,
Yeah, he did.
Wait, it compiled.
So why is it warning say?
Main actor isolated property currency cannot be used to satisfy the protocol requirement. Like, I think these don't satisfy the protocol requirement anymore. So I don't know how it compiles if it doesn't satisfy the protocol requirement. I'm gonna remove that. It should work.
Maybe recently. Oh no. Gosh.
I think that's fine for now. I'm just gonna commit it.
I don't know, it's so ugly with the dispatch queue.
It does. Would you like to spend more time on it tonight to try to make it look nicer?
No. But can we do at main actor on the set?
Just on the set?
Line 15. Yeah.
Setter cannot have a global actor. This is an error in Swift 6. So not after Swift 6. It's a warning right now, but it will be an error.
Hmm.
So that's not
Never
good.
mind. Oh my god. Maybe we should call it.
Yeah.
I'm getting sleepy.
Yeah, I don't think it's going to be... I mean, like, we can change this later. This is all behind something, right? Like, you can completely ignore this, Jason, and when you do your module... Oh, shoot, you know the other thing that we didn't even do, that I wanted to spend more time on? Like, I didn't even get to do this. What is it? Like, user ID... You know, that kind of thing. This is the important thing, right?
Yeah.
We can change that later. At least we have a protocol to do it. So we'll change it later. I'm just gonna commit. Guys, it's getting late. Dude, how long has this been up? It's an hour and 30 minutes. I only wanted to spend like an hour max. Let's just commit and call it. We have to time box it.
Yeah. Oh my god, I'm so tired.
Yep. But hey, we learned a lot.
Like I'm getting old.
Oh man, no, don't say that. Don't say that.
All right. Let's PR review this. What you do here?
That's good. Settings.
Okay.
That's okay. I don't want this. I don't want this. I'm gonna ignore this because that was just demo. Yeah, we need this one. We need this one. Okay, these are the main things. Oh, we can get rid of AppState now. We don't actually need that. Delete. Move to trash. Still work? Of course it still works. Nice. Okay, so this, yeah, we're getting rid of AppState. So AppState is deleted. In the project, we delete AppState, but we also added two things, the protocol and the default implementation. The main app, we are setting that up to do this way now. Login module now uses the AppState service, and we set it to logged in. Settings module is now using the AppState service to log you out. Sign up module doesn't have the AppState because we never really needed that. I don't know why that was there. We now have an AppState service protocol and the default AppState service. Look good? Let's ship it.
Wait, just few more. Wait, won't you disregard stash? Not stash, but you check out the 3 files. At the bottom, unstaged file.
Oh, I'm ignoring that. We don't need that.
Okay. All right. Commit it.
Yeah, the to-do list streamer, that was just a demo.
All right.
I don't
Get
actually
that diff.
Get the diff. Where's my terminal? Why is it all the way up here? Okay. Get diff stage pb copy, and then we go here. Give me get conventional commit.
I was gonna say use my bot.
How am I supposed to use your bot?
Oh, I have to share with you, right?
Oh wait, actually it is public. It's public. That's okay.
Yeah, it's public. You add it.
Nah, I want to keep it all in the same thread with the Pomodoro app
Okay.
because it also has
Okay.
context, right? So like it knows what we did. Yeah, perfect. Remove. Yep.
Dude, my eyes are shutting down.
I know, Jason.
Shutting close.
This is why you just need to move. We need to move fast because we have limited energy.
Yeah.
Don't worry about perfection in one module. Alright. GG.
Okay. You merged?
Yeah, I'm gonna stop the stream. Bye.